So let's discuss the paper. So the question 1 was write 4 to 6 lines of free verse on the topic the road that leads to my college. So this you should have written like a headline, okay? Heading. Express that it is the road to knowledge and bright future. You may begin like this. So you may begin means it's an option given. You can write the way you want. Okay, fine. That means if you read this question, you already have 3 lines. If you start with every day I tread with the bag of books, this line is also there. It is the road to knowledge and bright future. It is the road that leads to my college. So there are lines here only which you can use. So I have written a small poem, something like this. See, which is straight from the whatever paragraph they are giving you, whatever hints they give you. Every day I tread with the bag of books along the road that leads to my college, the road to knowledge and bright future, where I am sure of achieving my goals. It's a free verse, okay? So there is no rhyming required. It is as simple. Many of you have written like a question and answer type. It's a poem. You're supposed to write a poem. First of all, read your question properly. Read once, twice, thrice. Understand what they're asking you. The second question is, during every journey, we have to observe certain rules. Discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions. I think just 1 or 2 of you all, I've given you all that 1 mark. But actually, see, it's about restrictions. It's not about the rules and regulations. The question is, discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions. We would all love, no, if there were no restrictions in our life. So how would your journey be? Going to college, coming home, if there was no time limit, like, and then don't talk with this one, don't talk with that one, don't make these friends, a time is set to come home, then the amount of hours to be spent on studies. So this is your life, day-to-day life. So you have to compare it with every journey. Like even if you're traveling out and if there are so many restrictions, you don't really enjoy it. So many have understood the question. But I think I enjoyed reading Samarth's this answer. Very well written, to the point, straight. Okay. So please read your questions. Many have not even seen this. Just copy down whatever, like. So you have to. There are many things you have to do, but when there are no restrictions, we enjoy it. If you're tied down, then you have to follow rules and all. See, it's very, very important. Definitely, restrictions are important. So first, you should give your ideas without any restrictions, how it would be, and to be more safer, it's always good to have restrictions because you don't know what you're doing. So if you are being guided by somebody who's had bad experiences, it will definitely help you. This is where your teachers, your good friends, your parents come. Their role comes here. Okay. Now match the suffix with the words and make nouns. There is a word auction and year, okay, but that doesn't mean you should just draw lines like this, not like junior KG children. You are expected to write the whole word auctioneer. Many people are just written like this, EER here and all. Even if you copy this, you have to write the whole word here, complete it. Auctioneer, remarkable, failure, enhancement. Here there is no addition of any letters or deletion. You have to just copy, but here there are some changes to be done. Preparation mein the E goes away, A comes in. Proceed mein one procedure. If you all are science students, you all know procedure. I think most of you all know the word procedure. So why have you all written 2 E's and then DURE? Argument mein the E is not there. Whenever you have ending with an E, no, it doesn't go. Here it is okay. Enhancement. Argument mein this is not there. It's argument. This time I overlooked the spelling errors. This half of mark I could have just cut it off there. Language study. If I prove you are bluffing, many of you all have written this as the main clause. I have explained many times. I have also sent a video on clauses. You all have to watch videos sent by us. It's not just for time pass. If some jokes and all these videos are sent, there is immediately it's viewed. So that much only interest, why don't you take in the studies also? When you know it's a grammar worksheet, clauses ka, I'm sure just a few days back I had posted it. And then Sudhanshu writes, I don't understand. Most of you all, I don't know how many have really got it correct. And it's not difficult. Please go through that clauses video. Explained in detail there. So you must retain that anatomy with interest is a main clause. This is complete sentence. Even if I don't write this, it's okay. You must retain that you must return that anatomy with interest. So that's the main clause which is totally independent. If I prove you are bluffing, अगर मुझे लगे कि तुम bluff कर रहे हो, no, that is an incomplete sentence, no? If I only tell you this part, you don't know आगे क्या, what after that. So this is your subordinate clause, and subordinate clause is always dependent on this clause. You cannot write only this. If you write, there's no meaning. So if I prove, now if is there, that means there's a condition. So if I prove you are bluffing, so it becomes an adverb clause of condition. You must return that, you must return that anatomy with interest. Tell me something worthwhile. Identify the type of sentence. Tell me something. It's like I'm talking to a person. I'm asking that person to tell me something. It is always an imperative sentence. Suggestions, commands, orders, advice, these are all imperative. He shook his head regretfully. So use the word regret. Some of you all have even ignored this. You all have made a sentence with regret. After reaching, I think 12th standard, I think that much though you should understand, isn't it? When they are giving you this and then they say do as directed, use the word regret, it is understood that you have to use this word in this place. When we don't want regretfully, I want you to use regret. So he shook his head with regret. Some have written in regret. I haven't cut marks there. I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. So this whole thing can come out and you can just put the word. Enthusiasm means full of enthusiasm. Overwhelmed means full of. You are when suddenly you see some it can be overwhelming, can be anything. Oh God, it was so overwhelming. It can be even if you feel like crying a lot, or you can, if you meet a long lost friend, there will be tears in your eyes. So you are overwhelmed with emotions, full of. So this whole thing can be replaced. The other groaned on hearing it. That means सुनने के बाद he groaned. Groaned is making a very type noise. Okay? Oh we say. So when he heard it, the other groaned. So the other groaned when he heard it. So the whole thing can be replaced. Never travel southward again and you will live to be 100. Means अगर साउथवर्ड तरफ नहीं गए तो तुम डेफिनेटली 100 साल जियोगे. यानी अगर मरना नहीं है तो इस तरफ जाना मत, ऐसे. So it should have been and you have to write only if. So only if you never travel southward again, you will live. So you will live to be 100, means 100 साल जियोगे अगर, only if you never travel southward again. Spot the error. When there are two questions given and 2 marks, when I'm asking you to spot the error, that means there is an error. The question spot the error mean there is an error and you spot it. You all have done, spot 5 differences, spot 6 differences. I don't know how some people have written no error. I have not asked you find whether there is an error or not. Spot the error mean there is an error and please spot it. So his mouth watered when he saw a bouquet. We don't say bouquet, na? You don't know this word? Do we say bouquet for grapes? It's a bunch of grapes. All English medium children, collective nouns, forgot. They left their luggages at the railway station. Why luggages? Luggage is luggage. They left their luggage at the railway station. I don't know why some have underlined here, some have underlined this one. It's like your subject, predicate, God knows what. There will be some keywords which you have to catch. Now do as directed. The stone struck the man on the head. Rewrite using the passive voice. Struck becomes was struck. The man on the head has to come in the front, or you can say the man was struck on the head by the stone. The stone subject goes into the predicate. The predicate the man comes as a subject here. There's, I think Tushar has written correctly and I don't remember who else. Very few. You will not recover. Refrain from smoking. मीन तुम रिकवर नहीं करोगे, स्मोकिंग बंद कर दो. रिफ्रेन मीन्स उससे दूर रहो. सो इफ यू हैव टू पुट अनलेस, कहाँ पे आना चाहिए था? यू हैव रिटन अनलेस यू विल नॉट रिकवर, रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम स्मोकिंग. यानी एक बार रिकवर हो जाओ उसके बाद स्मोकिंग कर सकते हो, उसका मतलब उल्टा हो जाता है. सो यू विल नॉट रिकवर, तुम रिकवर नहीं करोगे जब तक तुम स्मोकिंग से दूर नहीं रहते. यू विल नॉट रिकवर अनलेस यू रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम स्मोकिंग. सो some have written only unless and I've still given them marks. He is certainly taller than his brother. Positive degree. That means his brother is certainly not as tall as him. Taller has to become tall. Positive degree. Give one word for. I think someone has written that his brother is certainly not taller than him. I think so. If there's anybody who's written that and I've given a tick, please you have to report to me. You lose at 1 mark there. I don't think anyone has written this. Or did Tushar write? Give one word for. The scientific study of the universe and objects in it, including stars, planets, I mean the whole thing. So if you write cosmology, you will not get mark. Cosmology is different from astronomy. Everything comes under this big head. They are subheads. The study of the movements of the planets, sun, moon, stars, in belief that these movements will have an influence on people's lives. So then it becomes astrology. Some have written astrology, astrologer. We need to have more sessions on grammar, more exams I should say, grammar.